Okay, short introduction. Hey, I'm Amber.
Hey, I'm April. This is followed for you by Second and Serenade. Enjoy!
Best thing about tonight's that we're not fighting. Could it be that we have been this way before? I know you don't think that I am trying. I know you're wearing thin down to the core. But hold your breath, because tonight will be the night that I will fall for you over again. Don't make me change my mind, or I won't live to see another day. I swear it's true, 'cause a girl like you's impossible to find. You're impossible to find.
Tonight I swear I'm gonna listen to this song in my dreams.
Mommy, you ruined our video!
'Cause I hear it all day long.
Let us continue.
No, we're gonna run out of time.
This is not what I intended.